proud to stand before you today at the Exoergic 2024, our Physics and Robotics exhibition. This year, we gather with the vision of Vikshit Bharat, bridging dreams and reality with innovation. This theme resonates deeply with our collective aspirations to foster a future where dreams are not merely vision. Let us reflect on the notion that innovation transcends mere technology. It embodies creativity, critical thinking, and the courage to challenge convention. The projects on display at Exoergic 2024 are not just representations of scientific principles, they are the fruits of labor, dedication, and passion from our talented students. Today, we celebrate not just their hard work, but their unwavering belief in their potential to contribute meaningfully to our society. The vision of Vikshit Bharat is not just an aspiration, it is an urgent call to action. It invites each of us, educators and learners alike, to actively engage in the task of nation building. I encourage you all to harness the knowledge you possess in physics and robotics to confront real-world challenges and create innovative solutions. Let us not simply dream about a better future, but let us devise a roadmap to realize that vision. As we navigate this exhibition, I urge you to engage openly with the ideas presented, to interlace your knowledge with the creativity of your peers, and to embrace a spirit of collaboration that can lead to groundbreaking advancements. Let me take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to our dedicated team of teachers who have been the instrument behind today's show. They have poured their hearts and soul into preparing for this exhibition. Your passion, commitment, and unyielding spirit are truly commendable. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to everyone present here. I invite you all to immerse yourself in the brilliance of our young innovators and the remarkable display awaiting you at Exoergic 2024. Together, let us celebrate the spirit of innovation that is essential to realizing a Vikshit Bharat. I declare the Physics and Robotics exhibition Exoergic 2024 open. Thank you.
As it is reliable and has sufficient amount of space to control all other components, and we have used propellers, each of 10 inch.
Wow!
Fire safety is a critical aspect in our environment, whether it be commercial, industrial, or residential. And the ability to quickly and effectively extinguish the fire can save lives as well as property. So our project focuses on the essential use related to fire extinguishing and how to quickly and effectively respond to fire.
It can be used in the various fields like public places as well. It can be used in offices, schools, hospitals, etc. to enhance the fire safety protocols. It can also be used in residential places as well to activate fire suppression and quickly and effectively keep put out the fire. Now I would like my other teammate to continue the demonstration.
Now let us go through all the components that we have used over here. First is we have used two sensors. One is the MLET sensor and the another one is the flame sensor. MLET sensor detects the change in the temperature, and whereas the flame sensor, as the name suggests, it detects the flame by accepting the infrared radiation. Now coming to the breadboard. Breadboard connects all the components together in this circuit. Just behind the breadboard is the Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is a very complex component. It has digital, analog, micro chips and many more. Overall, it helps in detecting what decision making. Just behind the Arduino Uno is the electromagnetic driver. Electromagnetic driver with the help of 4 DO motor helping the locomotion of this vehicle. Beside the electromagnetic driver is the 5-volt relay module relay module supplies a high voltage current through the water pump, and the water pump allows the high voltage current through the water pipe, and the servo directs the flow of the water. Now I am going to tell you about the working principle of this model. So, if the frame is detected in the surrounding, the frame sensor will detect the frame and give the impulse to the Arduino. Then the MNX sensor will help in detecting the change in temperature. Arduino helps in acting as a brain of this robot. If the threshold in the Arduino is satisfied, means there is a frame in the surrounding of this robot, it will send the impulse to the L290 motor driver, which will help in locomotion of this robot. Then it will take the robot near to the fire and stop it.
আমার এই ফিজিক্স আর রোবোটিক্স মিলে এই এক্সিবিশনটা করা হয়েছে। তো বাচ্চারা খুব উৎসাহ নিয়ে এটা প্রতি বছর করে। তো এটাই
Various surgical strikes, so we can use this. So, like my friend is connected right now. I asked him to go forward. He is sitting in the second. So this car should move.
Mobile device A and is placed inside the car. So as the car moves, the connection between mobile device A and Bluetooth module. Looking forward, we enhance the capabilities of this Infinity Cruiser by exploring alternative technologies such as radio waves. So I hope you like this. Thank you, sir.
It requires 12 volt to ampere. So for power, then we can use various things. Suppose nuclear power we are using. 1 gram uranium we can control it over 25 years, and then we can use solar panels for that. Yes, sir. So for power that we can use. For demonstration purpose, we have used this. Thank you, sir.
Any of you have visited the school in Moscow? No, not yet.
Show us how you can play this.
Yes, it's very easy if you think about it. Optical sensors, which is attached to the rod. As you can see, there's a rod here. The optical sensor just senses which way the rod is moving, and it just gives the signal to the PCB it is connected to. And there are buttons down there under the pedals, which are also connected to the PCB. And when it gives the notation that the buttons are being pressed, again it gives it as interim input, and as you can see, when he presses that button it will accelerate, and when he presses that button it will brake. And when it moves the steering wheel that side, the car will move that side, and when it moves, because the optical sensors are sensing that he's moving the steering wheel this side, so the car will go this side.
By the movements of our hand or gestures, and we do not need buttons or a remote to control. So this major aim of the project is to provide insights to the smart India society to produce more simple radios that can be used by anyone with basic knowledge, and it would be a great mode of collaboration between humans and robots.
Our model is divided into two parts. One is transmitter, one is receiver. Transmitter consists of three components: Arduino Nano, ADXL 335 accelerometer, and RF24L01 transceiver. Now let us get a basic knowledge about these components. Arduino Nano is a microcontroller in which we set up a code to make the robot as per our waist. An RF24L01 transceiver helps in communicating the Arduino Nano with the Arduino Nano of the receiver, since Arduino Nano does not have any Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection. ADXL335 accelerometer plays an important role in our model. ADXL335 accelerometer captures the movement of our hand and sends it to our Arduino Nano, which is transferred to the Arduino Nano.
Disaster management, like in earthquake, where there is a danger of for humans. So these gesture control robot can be used by gestures, and for safety and rescue operations. And also in medical healthcare, during the COVID pandemic, these robots were used to provide medicines and supplies to the patients, as it was a very contagious and very dangerous disease.
Sir, for also increasing the range, we can use antenna. Antenna provides the robot to increase the range and we can control it from a long distance.
There are certain advantages of some of the following advantages of this robot are that this robot is very easy to use, it is not complicated, and the one with less technical knowledge can also find this robot easy to use. The one with physical disabilities can also use this robot to express his needs, as this robot can be controlled from a huge distance. Reduction of physical contact with devices promotes hygiene, especially in celebrities. As there are advantages, there are certain disadvantages of this robot as well. Some of the following disadvantages of this robot are that this robot can be only used within a certain limited range. Because if the robot gets too far, the signals from transmitter circuit will not pass to the receiver circuit and the robot will ultimately lose its control. Background noise, lightning condition and other environmental factors may affect the sensitivity of the robot. There may be delays between the gesture and robot response which may be frustrating. So that is all of our project. Thank you very much everyone for showing your interest for that.
Like America, a gas detector or smoke detector is a must. However, in India, due to some cost inconveniences and also due to unawareness and ignorance of people, this advanced technology has not yet been incorporated in every household. But every household has LPG cylinders for cooking. So there are many cases where LPG leakage had taken place, leading to a huge fire and damage to life and property of many people. However, this is just a statistical data based on that accident. However, our project here has brought a solution to this problem by introducing a gas sensor.
Due to gas sensor, it can detect the concentration of combustible gases and smoke in the atmosphere. This is an LED concentration meter which will show the concentration of combustible gases and smoke present in the atmosphere. So if it is in the green part, that means it's okay. If it is in the yellow part, that means it is above normal but nothing very concerning. And if it is in the red part, that means there is some increased gas and there might be some hazard. So this is exhaust fan which utilizes a DC motor and is an automatically opening and closing door. So they work together to provide better ventilation to the room for easier diffusion of gas. And there is a buzzer which is hidden here. Its purpose is to alarm the residents so that they can come and take immediate actions which are necessary. As we explain how the project works, now let us do a demo.
So, once again, hello everyone. So now I will tell you why we have used this car. First of all, in today's world, as you can observe, technology is developing rapidly. AI and robotics are becoming a part of daily activity and also environment. So, it is my own opinion that it is only robotic technology which will help human side efficiency to go up to the next level. And this car, as you can see, we have used the very basic concept. We utilized Arduino Uno and 8298 motor driver and a module. So the basic function is we have put a code in the Uno. The Uno will transmit code in this module and then the card automatically works. So now you think that where we can use this card. So this card can be used in various fields, and this car has an inbuilt range up to 30 to 50 meter, and if we apply an antenna over here, so it can go up to 500 meter. So So now my friend Pritam Chaudhary will explain you what are the.
So there are many applications that we can use for this car. Can be used in the real world. A few modifications can be made to the car. It can be used for security intel. It can also be deployed in hazardous conditions such as war zones or disaster areas where we can provide aid to people affected and also provide the surroundings information without putting any human operations at risk. We can also use it to move heavy objects in warehouses and make the management easier and reduce the manual labor. Well, there are many scopes for improvement for our present version. The typical limited range reduces the efficiency of it. We can improve it by using a better Bluetooth module, and the battery also decreases a bit faster, which can be improved by providing a better source of energy.
The phone will send the signal to the SP05 Bluetooth module, and the Bluetooth module will tell that to the Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno will accordingly give the instructions to the L298N motor driver, and the car will work.
Let's take a school and go. The robot was on the right side and it was a very good way, as you can see. He's standing over right there and can control from there. So it can be used in fields like for security purposes. We attach a camera over here. The operator will send the car to the carry intel and it can provide us information. Also, this car can be used in fields like for entertainment, like for playing games and etc. So this car also you can use in warehouse robots for taking objects from one place to place without using human labor intensity. So I hope that you like our project and what is your opinion this is. If you are to AI means this is not used only.
AI can be used here.
But as you can see, it's almost like a star. So how do you feel this? So star is something that you just you have to load the side. We can also show you one more design.
increase the motor size as well as providing you and that additionally robotic which is 24 mAh and it gives around 2.5 amps. Robotic arm prototype because the moving and robotic arm is actually the robotic arm project can give up to and this is actually
and email session. Here we are demonstrating our project of static plant irrigation system. What it does is detect moisture, and if there is moisture, it will switch on the pump, and if there is no moisture, it will switch on the pump. And water from the bath magically come and water the plant. So we can water the plant without any human intervention.
This is potentially irrigation system, currently only watering system.
Now we are taking the soil water sensor, it's no moisture, it is the plant. And now we are taking the moisture and it's
energy sources. So there are renewable sources like wind, panels, and non-renewable sources like a power motor.
battery or what? So it's the oval way.